The growing mechanical keyboards shows how people care about quality tools. Typists and gamers look for tactile switches, durable builds, and ergonomic layouts. Likewise, choosing the right TV wall mount is about strength, adjustability, and value. This guide evaluates the best TV wall mounts based on list number. Mounting Dream TV wall mount for 32 to 65-inch television, swivel and tilt. The Mounting Dream TV wall mount is a popular, versatile option for televisions between 32 and 65 inches. This mount offers full motion flexibility, including a +5 degree, -15 degree tilt to reduce glare and a 45-degree swivel for optimal viewing from any angle. Its robust design can hold up to 99 pounds and comes with clear instructions and included hardware, making installation straightforward. The retractable arm allows the TV to sit just 3 inches from the wall when not extended, maintaining a sleek profile. List number 2. USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount for most 42 to 86-inch flat screen, LED 4K. If you have a larger TV, the USX Mount Full Motion Wall Mount is an excellent choice. Designed for TVs from 42 to 86 inches, it features dual articulating arms that can swivel up to 45 degrees and tilt up to 15 degrees, offering excellent positioning flexibility. The heavy-duty steel construction supports up to 132 pounds, and it extends up to 16.5 inches from the wall while retracting to a slim 2.4 inches. List 3. ECHOGEAR Wall Mount TV Bracket for TVs up to 90 inches. Low profile, tilting. For those looking for a low-profile, minimalistic option, the ECHOGEAR Wall Mount TV Bracket is a winner. Supporting TVs up to 90 inches, it holds them just 2.5 inches from the wall while offering up to 10 degrees of tilt to reduce glare. The sturdy steel frame can handle up to 125 pounds and is designed for quick, easy installation, complete with a drilling template and all necessary hardware. List number. Full Motion TV Wall Mount for most 37 to 84-inch flat-screen TV, swivel or tilt bracket. Another strong contender is this Full Motion TV Wall Mount, compatible with TVs ranging from 37 to 84 inches. It supports up to 132 pounds and features both tilt and swivel functions for the perfect viewing angle. Its dual arms extend to 15.2 inches from the wall and retract to save space. The robust steel construction ensures stability and safety, while the detailed instructions and provided hardware make installation simple. List 5. No stud TV wall mount, drywall studless TV hanger. No damage, no drill. If you're renting or just want a drill-free option, the no stud TV wall mount is a brilliant solution. This studless hanger mounts directly to drywall with no need for screws, drills, or tools, supporting TVs up to 100 pounds, depending on wall condition. It's compatible with most flat-screen TVs and offers a slim, almost flush profile. Perfect for quick, damage-free installation. This mount is ideal for apartments, dorms,